Update.
We have freshened up.
We have checked in our second hotel in Da Nang. We have freshened up, took a nap, and also charged our GoPro. And now that we have our scooty, we are now going to Hoi An. So we'll be driving to Hoi An. It's
so we
almost.
won't be staying in at Hoi An. So we are saving money.
Yeah, we will not be staying in Hoi An. So we are staying in Da Nang. So we have rented a scooty for the entire day. So now we'll be traveling to Hoi An. I think it's 40-45 kilometers from where we are staying. So we'll be driving to Hoi An, spend some hours there, and in the night we are going to drive back to Da Nang. So yeah, let's now explore Hoi An.
This is where you can stand and look at the Dragon Beach that side when the water show is there, the fire show. So that little bridge is the Dragon Beach, and these are beautiful. So we are at Laziz restaurant now. And this is the restaurant. The vibe is very nice. And here is our Mr. Anirban. And here finally I'm looking at my Indian dish. I really miss you, Indian food. Oh, pool. Here, I think pool is very common. No, not common. But only 3 balls are there.
बहुत देर ढूंढने के बाद एक इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट मिला है. we इंडियन खाना खाते हैं. Your specialty is Indian food. This restaurant specialty Indian
food. Yeah, Indian. Hello. Do they bite? Very beautiful place. One more update. Now we are waiting for our Indian food, so we don't have any. Oh, good, great. So Anirban is like the waiting time. He's not wasting the waiting time.
2 out of 2.
So he want to have some fun alone. So he's playing pool alone. You used to play it before, right? In phone?
In phone. But in reality it's different.
Yeah.
But I played a few times in Bangalore with my friends.
Oh. Okay, let's wait for the food now. So, the place where we sat was so beautiful. See, it's really beautiful, and the owner is from Bangladesh, and he have opened a Indian restaurant. So play. Oh, no problem. Do you like Indian food?
Yes, I like.
What do you like?
Huh?
What do you like?
Because it's delicious.
Huh?
Delicious.
Oh. Oh, here's Matar Paneer. Oh, it looks yummy. That's my pulao. Yes. Oh, and it's Anirban's biryani. It smells really nice. Come. Indian food after so long. Indian food is expensive, so I think you must try. If you are a non-vegetarian, you must try local food, or else if you like vegetarian like me, then you should visit Indian restaurant. But I think it's expensive. Not that expensive, but it's expensive, right?
No, it is expensive.
Yeah.
Expensive than street food. But it's worth it. It's worth for the dining experience.
But I think if someone is like non-vegetarian, they should try the local food.
Yeah, if you are vegetarian, then it would be very hard for you to find local food. because all
It's
local
not
food-
very hard because I saw like in Phuket also we found Indian restaurant and in
Not
Ho Chi
Indian
Minh-
restaurant. Vietnamese food, but vegetarian. Why would someone eat Indian food after coming to Vietnam?
Yeah.
They would want to eat local food, right?
Yeah.
So if you are a vegetarian, it will be very hard for you to find local food that is vegetarian. And also the language gap is also there. My biryani looks yummy. Let's see. I just love biryani.
Where is the chicken?
Chicken pieces are there, like small chicken pieces.
Oh.
They don't give like big leg piece or breast piece. See?
So the chef is from Dehradun.
Small chicken pieces. Now
So-
I'm going to try this biryani. It's very like mashed up together, like it's watery.
It's not
watery.
biryani. It's not okay.
Not good.
So it's not worth the
good.
money.
So
Don't come.
in Ho Chi Minh City, we had we went to an Indian restaurant called Tandoor Restaurant or something, right?
No, tandoor.
Where I said that I had the best biryani of my life. There, though, I think 100 times better, but also like biryani in general, it's not good. Like if you just have a basic average biryani, it's little bit lower than the average biryani, I would say. It's not good. Not recommended.
Even the rice is not cooked.
Huh? Not good.
Yeah, not cooked properly, but it's tasty.
This one is not good.
Okay.
Not happy.
After having not so satisfying lunch in Da Nang, we left from Da Nang to explore beautiful Hoi An. So stay tuned for the next video where we will explore Hoi An.